Hello everyone, my name is Kirti Sagar. Recently, I have completed my internship, which was actually conducted by FireShark team. So, a few of the topics which was covered during the classes was OSI model, different types of OS operating systems such as Linux, cyber attacks, cyber laws, and different types of tools as well, such as Metasploit, Wireshark, Burbsuit. After that, we got to know about the different certification which we can uh, do, which can be very useful in our cybersecurity career, and we got to know career path in cybersecurity as well. So the explanation of the topic was very much descriptive, and it was up to the mark, I can say, and it was described with an example as well. So, in the end, I would like to thank each and every member of FireShark team, and I would like to give special thank to my trainer who taught us very well. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.